Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new GOOLOO A5 jump starter kit. And this product is much more than just a jump starter. But let's start there. It is a powerful jump starter that you can use to jumpstart any gas-powered vehicle and diesel vehicles up to 10 liters, which includes a couple of big trucks. But it's also a powerful air compressor with 160 PSI of air pressure, which means you can use it to pump up your car tires, your motorcycle, your bicycle tires. You can blow up a basketball. You can even inflate a raft that you're taking to the shore next summer. And it can be used as a battery bank, and you can charge all of your portable devices like your phone, your tablet, your drone batteries, maybe your action camera, anything that runs on electrons. And it's got a 400 lumen flashlight built in, so you can use that to throw a little light on your tire when you're changing it, or if you're out camping and you need a little extra light, you've got it. Now, before I get too deep into all of those features and functions, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And I'm laughing a little bit because GOOLOO is giving you everything you need to use this product right out of the box. And then I'll spend a little bit of time talking about those 4 different functions, because there are a lot of companies on the market that make jump starters, and that's all they can do, and they work pretty well. Then there are other companies that make portable air compressors, and they can blow up tires and inflate a raft. And then there are other companies that make battery banks you can use to charge your portable devices. And there's a ton of companies that make flashlights. But this product does all of those at the same time, and in most cases better than those individual products. And I'll get into that in a minute, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's get started with the unboxing first. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. It's got really nice design on the side and on the bottom. You've got rubber feet on the bottom. It's easy to grip it. It's got, sort of curves on the side that make it easy in your hands to hold on to. You'll also find a case. Now, the carrying case is important for 2 reasons. Number 1, it protects the unit. But number 2, and probably just as important, is it organizes everything, because when you're using this on the road and you have to jumpstart your car, you don't want to find out that you left this home in the garage. Or if you want to pump up your tires, you want to make sure that hose is with you. So that case not only protects the unit, but it organizes everything and keeps it just where you need it in the back of your car. Now, in addition to that, if you want to jumpstart your car, you need a set of cables, right? So these are heavy-duty clamps that you'll clamp onto your battery. Red to positive, black to negative. Make sure you connect it up directly. If you're goofy or it's really dark out and you put them on the wrong way, you won't damage your battery and you won't damage the unit, because there's electronics built in that protect against that misappropriation of those cables, and it'll actually tell you you've connected up correctly or you've connected up reversed. Flip it. Don't start charging your car. Now, normally you can use this to jumpstart most cars that have a battery that's just under the amount of power needed to start the car. But every now and then your battery will drop really, really low, especially if it's been out in the cold for a couple of days, and you may need a little extra jump power to actually start that car. There's a boost button right there that you can push that will deliver the maximum amount of current from the unit to your battery to jumpstart pretty much a car with an almost dead battery. Now, one big difference, and I should have waited a minute to talk about this, but I can't. This unit provides 4,000 amps of starting power. Now, if you compare that to some standalone jump starters that provide maybe 1,500, 2,000, or 2,500 amps, this has got a lot more amps. So it's got plenty of power to jumpstart those bigger trucks and those bigger cars like I'd mentioned earlier. Also included with the kit are 2 charging cables. Now, you can charge this from a standard wall charger. You'll want to use like a 65 watt, preferably be PD or QC charger to charge it. But the 2 cables included are a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A. So whatever kind of charger you've got, you can connect it up. You'll plug the USB-C end into the USB-C port for charging and charge it up. It'll hold the charge for a very long time. So charge it, put it in the back of your car. That way you've got it. Now, the nice thing about these cables is that this unit provides both the USB-A, which is a QC or quick charge port, and a USB-C over here. It's got a cable attached to it. So you can actually plug this into your phone or any device that uses a USB-C port, and you can charge it directly from the unit. This is a power delivery, 45 watts of external power. So anything you've got that's really powerful, charge it there. If you got a big tablet, you got drone batteries, plug it into the USB-C. And then on the air compressor side, there's a hose included, which is what you'll connect to this port on the side. The other end of that hose has a standard clamp that you'll put over your valve stems on your tires, whether it's your car, your motorcycle, your bicycle. But also, in addition to that, Let's say you want to pump up a basketball. They've included an adapter for that, so you've got this pin that fits in the end. You can pump up your basketball, your soccer ball, your football, whatever you want to pump up. And let's say you've got an air raft you want to pump up. Well, there are two adapters included for that as well, a small one and a big one, depending on how big that orifice is on that. And maybe you've got an exotic bicycle or motorcycle that's got one of those newer valve stems that are smaller. Well, GOOLOO even included adapters for that, so you've got pretty much everything you need to pump up virtually anything that needs air using the hose and using those adapters. So we're doing pretty well here. And then in addition to that, a full instruction manual is also included with a QR code on the rear. So the basic instructions are in here on how to use the unit, how to charge it, what the different displays mean, how you can connect to it and what you can charge with it. If you want more information, you can scan the QR code and that'll download a bigger manual. There'll be contact information to get a hold of the company if you've got questions. All right, so that's the unboxing. Now, let me talk about the unit. As a jump starter, it has 4,000 amps of jump starting power, like I'd mentioned, which is plenty to start any gas vehicle on the market today, which is important, and it'll start diesel vehicles up to 10 liters. Now, the reason that's important is because a lot of the other jump starters on the market have lower amounts of current available, and it may not fit your car. You don't have to worry that if it works today with your car, and in a year or two you decide to upgrade your car to something else, you don't want to have to go buy another jump starter. So knowing this guy can deliver 4,000 amps of current to that car is a really big deal. The other thing is it's incredibly safe. So it's got multiple protections built in against overcurrent, over voltage. It checks the temperature to make sure you've got, it's not too cold or too hot to be jump starting a car. It looks at the amount of current it's sending to the car and only sends enough to get the car started. If you reverse the polarity on the clamps, it's going to know that. It's going to shut everything down so you don't damage the battery, you don't damage the unit. So it's incredibly smart in addition to be incredibly powerful. As far as the air compressor goes, it can deliver 160 PSI. Now, a lot of other dedicated air compressors may only deliver 130, 140 PSI, which works okay, but it means you're going to take longer to inflate that tire, and you won't be able to inflate larger tires. With this one, 160 PSI is pretty much ahead of the curve for most of those air compressors, and the reason this can do that is because it's got an improved motor, which is much more efficient, that drives that compressor. So again, 160 PSI means you're going to inflate those tires quicker, and you can inflate bigger tires, or you can inflate a raft or whatever you've got to inflate. As far as the battery bank goes, you have two ways to use the internal energy, and I think it's genius that GOOLOO thought about it and said, you know what? Essentially what we're building here is a portable battery that's designed primarily to jumpstart a car. But that energy inside that battery, once it's charged, can be used for other things. So why don't we develop two ports on the unit, one that's PD and one that's QC, that we can use that internal power to charge external devices. So you've got a USB-A port right here, and you've got a USB-C cable that's hardwired into the unit, which makes it really easy to charge something through that secondary port, because this way, if you forgot your cables or you have the wrong cable with you, you have a way to charge it. You can use the USB-A port with any cable out there, just like you would with a home charger, and charge, again, your phone, your tablet, your game console, whatever runs on electrons, this guy can charge. But they didn't stop there, because they thought more about it and said, you know what, we got a lot of power inside the unit, why don't we add a flashlight function? So the unit has a flashlight that first you'll turn the unit on by tapping the center button, and once it's powered on, you can tap the flashlight button and it'll come on. You've got 400 lumens of light, which is plenty of light to light up the side of the road, but they built two other functions in as well. If I tap it again, it's going to flash like an emergency beacon. And that's great, not great, but if you're broken down on the side of the road, it is great to have a flashing beacon like that to let cars that are approaching you know that you're off to the side of the road so they can see that flashing beacon. And then the third setting is an SOS. Now, if you've got, I don't know, a Boy Scout out there driving down the road that understands Morse code, maybe they'll see that SOS and go, oh, there's somebody over there that needs help. Let me pull over and help them. I think they'd see the flasher too, but either way, now you've got an SOS. So if maybe if you're in a boat and you've got to broadcast that across the water, the Coast Guard will recognize it. But anyway, I like the fact that there are multiple functions. So that turns off there. The one thing I didn't mention yet, let me turn it off completely because now it's in flash mode. There we go. The one thing I didn't mention yet is the display. Now, a lot of jump starters, air compressors, and portable units like this use an old school display, which is basically a bar graph and maybe a digital display telling you what the pressure is. This one has got a multicolored digital display that lets you know the current charge level, the current pressure it's set at, Other important things about the unit that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly, I really like that display. That display is 2,000 nits, which means even in bright sunlight, you'll be able to read it. So they didn't just put, let's put a digital display with color on there. They really thought about it and said, well, if we put a 500 nit display in there, no one's going to be able to read it in broad sunlight. This one with 2,000 nits, you can read it pretty much anywhere. And I like that an awful lot. One other thing they did with the air compressor side is they built in presets. And what I mean by that is most different types of situations that you'd be in to want to inflate something have basic inflation numbers. So for example, on my car, it's 35 PSI for my tires. When I put this into the air pump mode and I go to car tires, I can set this for 35. And that means I'm ready to go. It'll actually start pumping up my tire. And when it hits 35 PSI, it shuts off. It remembers that. So next time I come out, I don't have to keep hitting the plus and minus sign to adjust up or down to get back to 35. It knows that 35 is the number for me. And if I move to my wife's car, maybe she needs 38. So I can hit the plus button and bring it up to 38. So it's an incredibly smart product. And it has different categories for car tires, bike tires, basketballs, air rafts, and it's got one that's a custom that you can set pretty much anywhere you need it, which is kind of an unlimited amount of power or air. And the reason that's there is because if you're blowing up a raft or something else, or maybe an air mattress, you don't want it to shut off. You want to just keep pushing air out to blow up that device. So what a wonderful product. And again, GOOLOO's the company that really has been thinking about this for a long time. And if you check them out, they make a wide range of different products. They make other jump starters that are smaller. They make air compressors. They even make diagnostic equipment that you can plug in to a port on your car and tell what those flashing lights on your dashboard mean. So they're deep into the engineering. They're deep into the manufacturing process. And unlike a lot of other companies that are kind of Johnny-come-latelys to the industry that want to kind of jump in there and capture some business, all the specifications on this unit are legitimate. So when they say there are 4,000 amps of charging power, there are 4,000 amps. Some of the other companies on the market may inflate their numbers a little bit to catch your attention and maybe offer it at a lower price. You're not quite sure if you've got enough current to start your car. So knowing I've got 4,000 amps, I've got 160 PSI, and I've got the battery bank with both USB-C and USB-A, and I've got PD and QC charging. I mean, it's got everything I need, including a flashlight, which is pretty cool. So for me, I've tested a lot of GOOLOO gear. This A5 for me is their latest product, which includes everything you're gonna need to keep things safe on the road when you're on that long road trip. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've enjoyed talking about it. I think it's a wonderful product, and I use GOOLOO products myself, and I've used this one already to jumpstart a car, to pump up my car tires, and even inflate a basketball, and it's just worked wonderfully. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.